What would it mean for you and your family if you could earn even an extra $5,000 per week by offering hair extensions either on the side from what you currently do now or as a brand new full-time business for yourself? I am the owner of Bachiami Hair Extensions. I have owned this company now for well over 5 years. I have been in the hair and beauty industry for over 17 years now. And let me tell you, there was a long time there where I was not earning much money at all. Offering just coloring hair, cutting hair, working for myself, I was taking home maybe $300 a day. Now I changed things up about 4 to 5 years ago, when I did a complete overhaul of my business. I completely stopped offering low ticket services and I focused on hair extensions as my main service. Now, the hair extension business is a billion-dollar industry. It is not going anywhere. In fact, it is one of the fastest growing industries worldwide right now. These methods that you can see on the screen here are really, really easy to learn. They are extremely safe for the client. We teach you all about safe applications, how to remove them, how to maintain them, how to cut them in, how to style them, how to color match for your client, absolutely everything that you need to know to build yourself a trusted clientele. Most hair extension services will cost the client anywhere from $1,000 up. The hair itself will cost you anywhere from around $300 to $500. So that's a profit of upwards of $500 per client. And it only takes about 2 hours to do a client from beginning to end using these amazing methods. That means that you have the ability to earn a very, very minimum of $500 profit a day from just 1 2-hour client. Imagine if you were doing that on a scale, which is exactly what I have done to build an incredible hair extension business empire. I now have multiple staff members that work for me, bringing in upwards of $5,000 per week. I myself only work 2 days a week. I have 2 little babies under the age of 3. I've managed to buy myself my own home, completely renovate the house, an investment property, and a massive caravan because we now travel all around Australia together as a family. What could it do for you if you simply earned an extra $500 to $5,000+ per week? Throughout your course with Bachiami, you will not only receive a massive toolkit with all of the goodies that you can see in the photo below. It is one of the biggest kits in the industry right now. You also receive ongoing support and mentorship from myself personally and everybody else in the Bachiami company. You will receive lifetime access to all of the different courses included in this bundle, including all of the 7 business building handbooks that teach you how to price your services, how to think like an entrepreneur, how to scale your business, how to 10 times your business, as well as all of the comprehensive videos to follow and learn the 3 most popular hair extension methods worldwide right now. What are you waiting for?